Unsafe design may cause the spontaneous combustion or damage of the whole solar power station, which also can lead to the electric shock accident of humans and animals. The highest waterproof label IP68, electric shock resistance, high current carrying capacity, broken circuit prevention, low impedance, warming prevention, spontaneous combustion prevention, 25-year service life, waterproof technology. The sealing of the traditional solar connectors adopts serrated joints. Traditional solar connector structure, serrated joints, screw the nut to be waterproof and sealed. Water steel can permeate along the thread from the gap of the serration and the nylon cable ground into the inner part. Existing security threats in risk of electric shock. Slow cable solar connector adopts a high density, heat resistant and flame retardant silicon materials. Squeezed and shrank but screw the nut. It can reach the IP68 waterproof label, preventing from electric shock for water, ensuring the safe operation of the solar power station. Terminal connection. The metal copper terminal in the traditional solar connector. The traditional one adopts the design of internal drum-shaped terminals, which will be in the risk of forgetting to assemble by works or falling out from the joints and leads to the circuit break of the whole solar power station. Slow cable metal terminal are independent design patent, drum-shaped terminal integrated design. It can avoid the risk of neglecting assembly or falling out, which enables the metal terminal to be firmly connected with the joints, so the solar power station can operate smoothly. Electric current carrying capacity. When the traditional solar connectors are applied to the parallel circuit, they will carry more loads, leading to the surface temperature rising. If the temperature rises and causes a fire, the circuit of solar station will be broken immediately. Slow cable lays metal terminal. The high copper content solid copper bar and the tin-plated terminal, which can carry high current and avoid the spontaneous combustion, and ensure the solar power station to work smoothly and successfully for a long term.